Hey, what's up guys, Dave's here about another video, and today I'm going to be doing a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A13. Yeah, right, so guys, if you're not subscribed, come and subscribe, and if you end up like watching the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be grateful for that. Right, so I want to start off by showing you guys what you get in the box when you buy this device. Right, so you greet it first with this simple piece of paper that contains your SIM ejector tool and a user manual. And then you get your USB-C to USB-A cable and your 15-watt charging brick. So yeah, that's basically all you get in the box for the device, and I think that's the last A-series device with whatever the accessories in the box. I think the a13 might not even get anything in the box. Right, so starting off with the review, I'm going to start talking about the display of the phone. Right, so the display is 6.6 inches, 1080p LCD. You don't have any high refreshes here, have 60 Hz. So yeah, the display is just bland, nothing special about it, but at least it's 1080p, you know. In the past these phones were getting whatever the HD plus displays, but at least this time you get 1080p. That's very good, and it's relatively bright, you know, for the phones in this category. I would say it's a good display in comparison to those phones like so the Power Neo and all those kind of phones from Infinix series. Yeah, I say that's fine. Yeah, so talking about the design of the phone, so you're basically getting a unibody design, all plastic. You would expect yeah, it's all plastic at the back, you know, but I like the design of this because you know, you don't have any sharp edges on the sides of the phone. It's basically like a pebble. Yeah, it's pebble-like design, but I think I don't like is the fact that it's a fingerprint magnet. Yeah, as you guys can tell, I avoid the phone again and again, but yeah, keeps on getting fingerprints on it. Yeah, so you have your fingerprint on the side. Yeah, as you come to expect with these displays, and I think this is the ideal position of a fingerprint scanner, by the way. Yeah, it's very comfortable, and yeah, works fine, has no issues. As you guys can tell, this is out with you guys very fast, right there. Yeah, at the bottom you have your speaker, your single loudspeaker, and whatever you USB-C 2.0 port. It supports 15 watts of charging. Yeah, you get your headphone jack. I think this is probably yeah, the last time you see these. I think in the next A14 series we don't even have headphone jacks on any series. Yeah, on devices from Samsung. Yeah, and at the top you get your own noise cancelling mic. And on the side, yeah, that's where you find your SIM tray. Right there you get whatever your 2 SIM cards, dual SIMs, and SD card support. So yeah, that's for the body of the phone. Yeah, so the other thing I want to talk about is the speakers on this. So the speaker is a tiny one. You don't get dual speakers here on this one. I think you would expect them anyway, but yeah, you get a single primary speaker at the bottom, which is not really that good. You know, at the top end it sounds really teeny, and yeah, not the best quality generally. And yeah, you don't get a dual speaker setup on this. Right, so moving on to the other things that I want to talk about, whatever the software on this. So for the software, you're getting Android 12 out of the box, which is really good. That means that you're getting if you're getting 4 years of updates or general OS updates, you're going to get up to Android 16. So yeah, this is a good phone to buy for a long-term usage. Only downside is you don't have 5G here, so I think it would be best to get the A13 5G. Yeah, if you're planning on using it to that far, like 4 years from now. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's about it. Let me show you guys the software info right here. Right, so you get Android 12 out of the box right there. Right, and talking about One UI is one of my best skins, if not my best, whatever software skins on Android. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, you know, before I used to use Nova Launcher on my phones, but when I'm using a Samsung phone, I don't know, I no longer need to use Nova Launcher or anything of that sort, because yeah, One UI is really wasn't that good. You know, I used to hate the fact that you used to get whatever is Samsung News whatever here, but now at least you get Google Feed, you know, Google Now, very nice. So yeah, I think One UI is really one of the best, if not the best, skin on Android. Yeah, that's for the software side of things. So yeah, talking about performance on here, the performance I'll say is just decent. You get the Exynos 850. Yeah, and you can play a few games here and there, but you're going to play them under medium graphics. You play the likes of pace and yeah, I play pace at whatever at maximum graphics settings, and yeah, it was kind of lagging. Yeah, and I had to switch it down to low. And if you want to play smoothly, you base of playing it at 60 Hz and the lowest graphics possible for pace. Yeah, to play it smoothly. Or you can even play it at medium graphic settings, but it's not going to be as smooth. Yeah, and the maximum graphic settings for pace is not going to be that good at all. It's going to be lagging terribly. Yeah, and that's about the gaming and the performance. I'll say that yeah, that's fine. And the version I have here is whatever 4 GB RAM version. Yeah, 64 gigs of storage. Yeah, but you can get up to 128 and 6 gigs of storage out of RAM rather. Yeah, so that's about the performance of the device. So I want to talk about the cameras as well. So the cameras, you have a 50MP main sensor, 5MP ultra wide, and 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. So I think I'll say whatever, the setup is really good. Yeah, at this price point, you know, you're getting a lot of options. Yeah, you get your ultra wide, you get your you get your whatever, your macro camera. Okay, you don't have a whatever 2 times telephoto, but you have a very big sensor in the 50MP sensor that can just be cropped in, you know, and you get a decent 2MP photo, to a 2x photo rather. Yeah, so that's about the cameras. And yeah, on both sides, the front and the back, you can get whatever 1080p maximum. Yeah, for video recording, and you don't get a lot of features as you would expect, obviously. The likes of slow-mo and all that, you don't really get it. You don't get whatever video pro, yeah, pro mode, all that. So yeah, that's for the cameras. And then I want to talk about the battery life. So the battery life on this is really good. 6.6 inches LCD, yeah, with a 5000 mAh battery. Yeah, that charges at 15 watts. So yeah, on the charging side of things, it's not really that fast, but yeah, in daily usage, I haven't really gotten any issues using the device. On the battery side of things, you're going to be okay, I think. No problems whatsoever when it comes to the battery life. But yeah, could have done with better and faster charging. Maybe 25 watts, yeah, even the battery is really big. So yeah. Yeah, so the other thing that I want to talk about is the haptics. So the haptics are always the downside of these Samsung A-series phones. None of them has a really good haptics in my view. Yeah, they're all just cheap, yeah, non-dimensional whatever. You get non-dimensional haptic feedback. It's just all over the place, you know. Don't get the Z-axis or even Y-axis. The vibration is just all over the place, you know. It's not really that good. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's the only thing that I don't really like, and the speakers as well. Yeah, they're not really that good. The cameras are just decent, usable. You know, the setup is as a whole is good. The fact that you get an ultra at this price point from Samsung, yeah, I think that's very good. Again, you get a whatever macro and the 50MP sensor, right? So I think that's about that with this review, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.